Everyone thinks the best-selling Moka pot is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Pernula Classic Moka Pot. The Pernula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker. Priced at $33.90, this beauty caught my eye with its promise of crafting 6 cups of rich espresso quickly. If you want to brew delicious coffee right at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Pernula can make 6 servings of espresso in just minutes. That means you can easily serve guests or enjoy multiple cups yourself without waiting around. The cast aluminum design ensures even heat distribution, which is crucial for that rich flavor you crave in your espresso. Plus, it's portable and works on all stovetops, making it great for camping trips or just a day at home. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit flimsy compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, at this price point it performs well and produces solid coffee, so it's not a deal breaker for casual users who want a quick brew. This is perfect for you if you love making coffee for friends or family without a hassle. Skip this one if you're looking for something that feels super premium or if you only drink coffee occasionally. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if build quality is a concern for you, let's look at a more iconic option next.
Product number 2, Bialetti Moka Express 6 cups. We have the Bialetti Moka Express, an iconic choice at $59.99. This classic Italian moka pot isn't just about looks. It's about creating that authentic espresso experience. If you want to brew coffee like the Italians do, this one deserves your attention. The Moka Express is known for its unique design, which has remained mostly unchanged since 1933. It's made in Italy with a patented safety valve, making cleaning a breeze. What really stands out is its gas stovetop compatibility, meaning you can use it almost anywhere. Just fill it up to the safety valve with water, add your coffee, and you're set for a perfect brew that captures that rich aromatic essence. Now, some users mention that the handle can get hot to the touch. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use it as intended, this is a minor inconvenience. The flavor you get in return is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee enthusiast looking for that traditional Italian experience. Skip this one if you're seeking something more modern or less hands-on. It definitely offers good value for a classic piece of coffee making history. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger households. Product number 3, Bialetti Moka Express 9 cups. The next contender is another Bialetti, the Moka Express, but this one holds 9 cups and is priced at $64.99. If you often have guests over or just drink a lot of coffee, this size is worth a serious look. This Moka pot still carries that classic design and patented safety valve, but now you can serve more coffee at once. It's made for gas, electric, and induction stovetops, which is fantastic for versatility. With this pot, you can brew a larger batch of coffee, perfect for those busy mornings or gatherings. Some users have pointed out that it might be slightly heavier compared to smaller models. Here's the thing. While it's true, the sturdier build often contributes to better coffee quality, so it's a fair trade-off if you need that extra capacity. This is perfect for you if you host friends or family regularly, or just drink coffee throughout the day. Skip this one if you only need a single cup or two, as it might be overkill for you. Considering the size and quality, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something smaller and more budget-friendly, let's check out a more compact option.
Product number 4, Detosh 3-Cup Moka Pot. The Detosh 3-Cup Aluminum Espresso Maker, priced at just $13.99. If you're on a tight budget but still want a decent cup of coffee, this might just be the Moka Pot for you. This Moka Pot is designed to make coffee for 1 or 2 people, so it's perfect for small households. It heats quickly and delivers a surprisingly rich flavor for its size. The cast aluminum construction means it's durable and distributes heat evenly, which is essential for good coffee. Plus, it's portable, so you can take it camping or on trips without any hassle. Some reviews mention that the pot can emit an unpleasant smell at first use. Here's the thing. This is typical of many new pots and usually clears up after a few brews, so don't let that deter you from giving it a try. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your coffee journey or only brew for 1 or 2 people. Skip this one if you need larger batches or prefer a more premium feel. For the price, it's unbeatable value. Finally, if you want a very compact option, let's look at the smallest Bialetti Moka Pot. Product number 5, Bialetti 1-Cup Moka Pot. We have the Bialetti 1-Cup Moka Pot for $29.99. This tiny pot is perfect for those who just want a single serving of coffee, and it packs a big punch for its size. Made in Italy, this Moka pot offers the same quality as its larger counterparts, but it's specifically designed for those times when you just need a quick caffeine fix. It features the same easy clean safety valve, ensuring that you can maintain it without fuss. Even though it's small, you still get that rich, aromatic flavor that Bialetti is famous for. Some users have stated that it feels a bit too small for daily use. Here's my take. It's not meant for everyone, but if you're a solo drinker or just want to try espresso without a big commitment, this is a great entry point. This is perfect for you if you live alone or just need a quick coffee fix. Skip this one if you regularly brew for more than one person. It's a decent investment for those who want quality without the bulk. So that wraps up our journey through these Moka pots. We had the Primula Classic for its affordability, Bialetti's Moka Express models for classic flavor and design, the Daitosh for budget-conscious folks, and the compact Bialetti 1 Cup for solo brewers. Each one has its strengths and is worth considering based on your specific needs.